Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Just giving you a quick update. We are installing valve springs tonight. Bought used from some LS1 Tech member. Basically, I've used the comp cams tool that we used on Betty White. It doesn't work for LS, it's LTE based, but you can see we actually had to modify it a lot actually. I don't feel like cutting it up and doing all that again to make it work on this one. So I'm gonna build something out of this, I hope, that I found in our scrap pile. So we're gonna take this little thing right here, thread us in a little piece here so we can hold the valves up while we change the valve springs. All right guys, we got a little bit of an issue. These retainers aren't quite big enough. So I'm headed to Dominic Garcia's house now in Siloam Springs to see if the set of retainers he has will work. If they will, I'll buy them, come back, put it all together. All right guys, can't thank Dominic enough for staying up late, letting me come over. He had 14 1.25 inch steel retainers. So huge plus there. I really appreciate him doing that. So just to give you an idea, these are the factory retainers. This is what we are going to use now. Being that he only had 14, we ordered 2 more, and they'll be here Monday. So I'm going to work to get these changed out and all the valve springs. You can see just, you know, how much better those look. All right guys, so let's get one done here before the air compressor comes back on. If you'll remember, I said I was going to make one. Basically drill the hole here, took the plasma and cut out this. You can tell how bad it was. It's working perfect. It's a little light, or a little shallow, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it there for the factory spring, but for the new springs, man, it works awesome. So crank it down. And always make sure you have your air in here. Get the little things out with a magnet. Undo it. There we go. Make it nice and easy going back in. Make sure you're lining the holes up. Comes up slow. Bingo, bango. That's it. That's how you do it right there. Pretty simple. I wish I had built this a long time ago. It makes it super easy. This is what they're going to look like. Yee-hoo! So it's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna get to work and see you guys in a minute. Since we're waiting on the other retainers to come from whoever they ordered them from, we're going to throw this one back together and throw it all back on here. See if we can do this without breaking anything. I'm just going to run these in just enough. Then we'll put the torque wrench on them. I think you take it to 22 pounds or something like that, 20 something. So we'll have to do some digging, figure those out. I don't like how that one's not going in easily. I feel like I probably need to clean that one out, so I'm gonna do that real quick.
Bounce to the jingle, bounce to the jingle, pounce like a bango, pounce like a bango, tiger inspired, twisted like tango wire, stuff fires on these rhymers, it's the freak styler. Hate this life, but love this craft. Skip class, get gas like a lit match, kick gas, bit fast, bit past you with a dash on this track coming at you. Bad news for your bitch ass when I blast you. Give you whiplash, watch my lips smack you, watch your lips crack and smile. I'm wild like a baboon, eat your bad tunes, suck 'em up like vacuum. Cooped up like a rooster, who knew Coop was a little cuckoo. Cooper was a nickname, got behind the balls like an innate skill. I'm a natural mutant, stoop kid, never lead a soup blueprint. So my mind's thinking, keep me zoomed into his music. Cocoon in my room like a tomb or a caterpillar at a filler, blah blah blah. Acapella, vanilla, fella, Mandela, cellar dweller, alphabet killer, alpha male, no one knows me. As a rhyme spiller, breaking grounds like an oil driller, main lead Rockefeller, hard to tell a Bella. I've been fucking her friend Ella, and it doesn't end till the moon and another bender and a hat bands every time.
Okay, you can see it's awfully dirty in here. So being that Boost likes to go out anywhere it can get out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this area up in here so we make sure our ports are clean and the gasket connecting area is great. So
I reduce my life to a recluse, remove every clue. What you wanna do me, coop, be a deputy, you're the loose with a duty, ecstasy, better rule the underground, let my sound, put my sound, seduce the dead, turn it back around, do a jumping crown, brought down by dust, from the air to the throne, inheritance, hear the baritones and the horns and the trumpets, trombones, tubas, jazz musicians, to the tune of the marching band on me, parades going nuts in the stands, inauguration, for the king I'm waving, from my limo tinted window, cause I'm